and now has given us the opportunity to stand taller, speak louder, and come together as one to push through for better tomorrow. My brothers and sisters, if you know that or not, but you are important and absolutely so special. Life is short, so live and let others live. Thank you so much.
Aprangsi, aman ke do krong sai pi krong sai po atum lapen. Pining way lada kacetong do anarat hansame nilihin pen. Karbi rison imso ronga jaya mai amen pen kardam pajelo. Kardam. Nili mem nake rasin jati sopi nili arta inko rapli. Nili mehang ke theng lapen ke theng ke dinga dim lage. Wopong terona rong choki hola. Nili non GNM Nursing Training School along GNM Nursing course Charlie Bong. Nili Ninkehang Kilun Lapen Lunkarju Lapen Keka Nili Ninghang Chorolo.
A very warm good evening to dear respected judges, dignitaries, and everyone present here. I am contestant number 3, Kimchari Rongpipi, 22 years of age, hailing from a beautiful place in Hanlangso, also called Bokajan. I am currently pursuing my second year of general nursing and midwifery from GNM Training School, Jibu. In my spare time, I love cooking and I aim to be a healthcare personnel to help and heal the needy when in need. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the organizers of Miss KYF 2021 for providing such a great platform to showcase my talent. Thank you, Chorolo.
I am contestant number 4. Good evening, people. My name is Ruthi Mar from a beautiful Glen place called Karbi. Pursuing HS first year in DSC Junior College. My aim in life is to be an Indian Army so that I could serve my nation. My hobby is to play football, and I am a girl who loves to travel. Thank you.
A very good evening to the respected jury members and one and all present here. My name is Miss Sandra Ransipi and I'm 23 years old. I'm born and brought up in Howard, Kehat. Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in nursing from Pius Group of Institute, Guwahati. I'm fond of dancing, cooking, as well as acting. As a person, I'm a very empathetic person and I love to care for people. This is the reason why I chose to be a nurse. Thank you.
Pardon, taralang po. Good evening, judges and everyone present here. I am contestant number 6. My name is Merlina Rongpipi. I am 23 years old. I came from a beautiful place. My qualification is BSc 5th semester from Rabindranath Tagore University, Kochi.
motivation, which drives me to be a better person. Thank you for hearing me out.
Once again, good evening all the judges and good evening all the present here. My name is Nirlan Derafi. I am 21 years old. I study at Harakat College. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, singing, and my aim in life is become an actress. Thank you and Kardom.
I am contestant number 12. My name is Buchali Rinkiti. I am from a beautiful place, Panjabanso. I am 24 years old, currently pursuing my MSc for Assam University Difu campus. I am very fond of dancing, cooking, and I am a very sporty person. I want to be a teacher, and by concluding my introduction, I want to say that never give up. Thank you so much and have a good time.
Isang Makardong. Ladak Indian Trikamer Troxy, Karbi, Risuning so arong ajelon kastom lunarat lapen. Ladak Pini Raja Kachipati along Aman Kido Punsa Abang Pubang Piang Hustami, Lilian Pen Anikan Sam Padapan Rigo, Kardong. Lilian Kesami may be the one Pidilian Hamel Karbi and Rocky for Mr. Danger Libo. Lilikaki Rasa like Ilun Tarju, Radpen Kachinki Kachasan, and Parte. Ijui ke langni buning hao. Ini kaya lang ake mang lagi inut mesen goreng our size dan kama pa nommi wan busy lapen inut mesen texture. Daje sami cuman si Karbi kaya long mesen nommi wan busy choro long.
So, aprang si man beng do kang kru kang sai bang pu bang pila ben pusar pisar korte injir do ana wianta. Nilin penari da sam kardo pachiri glo kardo. Nilin men ke sami manai tipi. Nilin rong ke di ku mentla rong marjo. Nilin arta ke inkoy. Nilin non chari from ke crazy yang deng di ku go boys higher secondary along si Charlie Bob. Nilikai long nin ke hangi claim ko style la ke nilin pai long style ke drop dunga ke football ke patu. Nilikai long nin me la ke youth air hostess. La artist ne chupati niyang deng ton ko lo churolo.
Aprang si, pinigudi, Karbi ko pinigudi kasi pati pinkon, jabi ang song yan siyo, tari sa matumakan, kachurong kajer pa prem no, lapen ke, no na po nang kachatong dun, man pek ke do kang kung kang saya kang piato, lapen man pek ke do kang kung kang saya kang po, lapen na dapat do kape nang kachatong dun narada tumapan, at sa dami nilimin pen, arit ang sa makardong ng kajer igno, kardong. Nili mahang ke thek lapet ke thek dinga rong ke sarlim terang rong hanjang langso lapen nili non ke charli bong kang ke JM nurse training school along si ning ang deng ke thamang de long si nili charli poni bong lo lapen nili apong ke joy ho ke klem ke tam nili ning ke hang kang asai lapang ke pe mang ke roi mate embroidery hello lapen nili kaya long ke mang lake ke sokyo de na tumakhan kala na ke mesana bang ke manji si